If you want to unshare files on Google Drive, this video will show you the fastest way to remove access from specific people and keep your files private. Whether you shared a document, folder, or spreadsheet by mistake, or you just want to clean up old access permissions, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. This is important because if you have more than one account, you want to work from the one that owns the file or folder you're trying to manage. Once Google Drive loads, take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to unshare. You can use the search bar at the top if you know the name, or browse through your recent files and folders until you find it. When you found the item, right-click on it to open the menu. From that menu, click Share. This opens the sharing settings where you can see exactly who currently has access. Inside the sharing window, you'll see a list of people that file has been shared with. This is where you can remove access for a specific person without affecting everyone else. Now look through the list and find the person you want to remove. If there are multiple collaborators, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one. Next to their name, click the small drop-down arrow or permissions menu. From there, select Remove. Once you do that, Google Drive will immediately revoke their access to the file or folder. If you're removing access from a folder, remember that this can affect the files inside it as well, depending on how it was shared. So it's always a good idea to double check what you're editing before confirming anything. After you remove the person, look for the Done button and click it to save your changes and close the sharing window. And that's it. That person no longer has access to your file or folder. If you want to go a step further, you can also review whether the item is still set to be accessible through a link. If you shared it publicly or through a link before, you may want to change the general access settings so only specific people can view it. That gives you even more control over who can open your content. A quick tip here. If you're trying to fully unshare something, don't just remove one person and stop there. Check the sharing settings, link access, and general permissions to make sure the file is truly private again. That's the safest way to protect important documents, client files, or personal information. So to recap, open Google Drive, find the file or folder, right-click it, choose Share, locate the person you want to remove, click the drop-down next to their name, select Remove, and then click Done. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, productivity guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.